Welcome to the Percy Jackson channel. I'm Percy and he is Jackson, a YouTube channel dedicated to total nonsense.
Today we're going to unbox the squishies. They're super squishy.
It's Jenny's Mochi collection squishies. Let's open them.
Yeah.
It comes with a pouch that you can put the squishies inside. Yes, you could sleep with them. And there's a whole bunch of squishies. There's, what's that one? A cone jelly, I guess. A jellyfish? And then there's a panda bear that looks like it fell on its face. Do-do-do-do-do. Poor bear. Anyway,
we have Hobby Pig. Oink, oink.
Alright. We've got Garfield. Garfield, the fat cat.
And we got a fat duck. And a porcupine.
And a not so fat duck.
Fat.
And a porcupine that will sting you.
Ow.
Isn't that right, Jackson?
And then the duck will go like quack, 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 quack.
I believe there's a hedgehog.
Well, that's a sheep.
It's not a sheep. It's a hedgehog.
Z.
Hedgehog.
Sheep.
Actually, I don't know what it is for sure. Why don't you tell us in the comments?
Below. And watch that creepy dinosaur right there singing.
What are you talking about? There's no dinosaurs here.
It's down.
Good. Anyway, we have an elephant. A green elephant. I think the elephant's sick. Maybe we should take it to the doctor. Yeah, probably.
And this one is sick.
And then there's a green snail.
And it's probably sick. And it probably died. So well. And the snail crawled up to a rock.
We have a cat, a really fat cat, like Garfield. A white cat, it's got a little tail in the back. Uh-oh, where did this other eye go? It's only got one eye. It's got one eye and one nose. It's a mutated cat.
Other eye go.
And then there's a bear with stitches on its head. It's a yellow bear.
And then there's a cloud raining on your head. And it fell.
See the rain. And then there's a panda bear.
And it's Combo Panda.
And there's a koala bear. I love the koala bear. The koala bear is so cute.
No, it's Combo Panda.
It's a koala bear.
Fine.
Thank you. We have a rabbit. It's that one really feisty, mean rabbit from The Secret Life of Pets that's always trying to kill people. Remember that rabbit? And then there's a white fox.
There's also a dog.
Look at this one. There's a seal, I think. Is it a seal? I'm not sure what it is. I think it's a seal. And then
this is a mutated seal. And it has three eyes.
Do-do, 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 do-do.
And we overshoot. Did it.
Anyway, there's all of them. In total, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 squishies in total.
And need to go to the loo.
What? Didn't I ask you if you needed to go before the video? You couldn't have told me before. Okay. Now a short commercial break.
Looks like some yummy food. I don't know what they are. Taste so good. I could hear them come. Here we go.
Let's go back.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 17, 18,
14.
14, 19,
15.
15, 11,
16.
16, 17, 18, 19.
Hold on. Didn't there used to be 20? Weren't there 20? Nathan? Percy Jackson? Jackson? Did you close the dinosaur pens today? I thought I told you to lock them. Now look, there's a dinosaur on the loose. Did you at least close the T-Rex? Do you even know what dinosaur that is? It's the Indoraptor. I'm sorry, I don't know my dinosaurs as well as him. I'm sorry. Well, what do we do?
Maybe we can use your spear.
My spear? What spear? I'm sorry, but it's not my fault I forgot Riptide.
Tilly.
What should we do? Tell us down in the comments.
If you click that creepy dinosaur was like in the forest.
Huh? Oh. Do you think it came from the forest?
Yeah.
Make sure to tell us what you think of the dinosaur.
Make
And
sure.
give us ideas on what we should do. We don't know what we should do. I mean, that's a vicious dinosaur. It's eating one of our squishies.
Yeah.
That's